In this video, I'll guide you through how to open an HSBC account in the US. Whether you're a US resident or qualify through HSBC's international banking services, setting up an account is straightforward and convenient. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to decide how you want to initiate the account opening process. You have two main options: visiting the HSBC US website or heading to a local branch. If you prefer to manage things from the comfort of your home, the website is a great choice. However, if you like face-to-face interaction or have questions to ask in person, visiting a branch might be more suitable. Once you've chosen your method, your next step is to decide on the type of account that suits your needs. HSBC offers a variety of options, such as checking or savings accounts. Take some time to consider your financial goals and daily needs to determine which account type is the best fit for you. After you've made your choice, it's time to fill out the application. If you're doing this online, you'll find an application form on HSBC's website. Here, you'll need to provide some key personal details. Make sure you have your US address handy, as well as your social security number or ITN. You'll also need to provide valid identification, which could be a driver's license or a passport. Accuracy is crucial here, so double check all the information before submitting. Once you've completed and submitted your application, it's over to HSBC to do their part. They will review the details you've provided and carry out any necessary checks. This process may take a little time, but they will notify you as soon as your account is approved. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on your email or phone for any updates from them. And just like that, you've completed the process of opening an HSBC account in the US. It's a simple procedure, but being prepared with the right information can make it even smoother. Having your account ready opens up a world of banking possibilities and services that HSBC offers to its customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and easier for you. If you have further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to HSBC directly for more personalized support.